Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids. Today we're going to explore the letter C. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's our big letter C. It's the third letter of the alphabet. Can you say C? We're going to color our letter C purple today. Purple is such a royal and fun color. So go get your marker or crayon and let's color it together. Look at that! Our letter C is now a beautiful shade of purple. Great job! And look who's here. It's a cat. Cats also start with the letter C. Can you say cat? Now let's color our cat. I love the color blue, so I'm going to use blue for our cat. But you can choose any color you like. Ready? Let's color! Wow, your cat looks fantastic. Blue is such a cool color, but you can use any color you like for your cat. Look at our colorful letter C and our beautiful cat. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for coloring and learning with me. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.